Hello, good day everyone. I am Helen May A. Gonzaga, first year college student from Bachelor of Agriculture. In this video, I will show you the external parts of farm animals. The hackle, back, tail feathers, fluff, hack joint, shank, claw, and toes. The horn, forehead, eyes, nasal opening, ears, visceral region, neck, point of the shoulder, elbow, knee, coronet, back, croup, barrel, hook, and hoof, tail, point of the buttocks, staple joint. This is the poll, horn, ears, eyes, face. And this is the neck, the jaw, throat, lap, brisket, the forearm, knee, top of the shoulder, the ribs, the back, the loin, rump, the tail head, shin bone, tail, thigh, the switch, the steeple, the twist, cock, the shelf, the hind flank, the cud, foot, the dew claw, then the shank, the nostril, muzzle,